This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the CS2 login failure issue that may occur in 2025. Follow these steps to get back into your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. Try restarting your router or connecting to a different network to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct username and password. If you have forgotten your password, use the password recovery option to reset it. Step 3. Update the game client. Make sure that your CS2 game client is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates and install them to ensure compatibility with the server. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. Clear your browser's cache and cookies if you are logging in through a web browser. This can help resolve any issues related to stored data that may be causing login failures. Step 5. Contact support. If you have tried all the above steps and are still experiencing login issues, reach out to the game's customer support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the error message and any troubleshooting steps you have already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure issue. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.